Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my presentation. I am Mir Anupam Hossain Akib from Department of Software Engineering. Today I am going to talk about my final year project, which is about DIU library service. So my project is supervised by Nusrat Jahan ma'am. Now I am going to discuss about my project. Daffodil International University has one of the biggest library in our country, but our student cannot utilize it properly as our library does not has any online version. So a online version of our library is required so that our student can use this from their home at any time and from anywhere they want. And our library is very big, but the management is not up to the mark. So there are some option to work with the management, because our student carries bag and we are not allowed to enter the library using carrying the bags. So what we have to do is we have to keep our bag in the locker and entry for the library. And the process of taking the locker key sometimes not so easy, because we have to take it from the security guard. And security guard, when there are too many students, our security guards cannot manage it properly. That's because he or she has to do it manually. That's why I came up a solution. When a student will go to him and ask for a key, he will just enter the ID and the key number in the front in the system, and the key will be distributed or assigned with the student. And when a student get out from the library and back to the security guard to return the key, then the security guard will take the key and simply input the key number to the system, and the key will be automatically marked as returned. So it will save our time. And our main objective is to make a system that will be usable by our students, security guards, and admin or authority of the library. And our goal is to make the process automatic so that we can save our time. And for this, our student have to log in, and there will be a login option for security guard and admin too. And then after login, our student will be able to read books online in PDF format, and the security guard will be able to manage the locker key as I said before. And our admin or authority will manage all the system. They will be able to add, delete, edit books, and they will be able to add or delete any security guards. And there will be a admin who can manage all other admin. Actually, I mean, there will be a super admin who will have all access. So they are my stakeholders: students, security guards, admin or authority. Students and security guards are my primary actors, and admin or authority is the secondary actors. And these are the functional requirements of my project, and these are the non-functional requirements of my project. And if we look at our use case diagram, so this is our use case diagram. Here our student will be able to log in, registration, change their password, retrieve their password, search for book, read book, and manage book list. The book list is actually their wish list. They can read the book later and save it for later. And security guards will be able to view the history of today's distribution and view distributed key info, and distribute new key and mark return key. And they will be able to view the individual students' history. And admin and authority has the major power. They will be able to add book, edit book, delete book, manage security guards. Manage security guards include add security guards and remove security guards, and Admin will be able to view statistics, view activity logs, manage admin. Manage admin includes add admin and remove admin. They will be able to edit the admin as well. So that's all about the use case diagram. Then we have activity diagram. There are activity diagram, and we have sequence diagram for each activity diagram. And here is the ARD. As I am doing my project in NoSQL, so ARD diagram, yeah, this is for relational database, and NoSQL is not relational. So we will, as technology, we will use React.js, Node.js, React.js, Material UI, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the front end, and for back end we will use Node.js and Express.js, and as a database we will use MongoDB and NoSQL. Yeah, so that's all about my presentation. Thank you so much for watching.